President Draupadi Murmu will address the nation on eve of 76th Independence Day on Sunday. The address will be broadcast from 7 p.m. on the entire national network of All India Radio and telecast over all channels of Doordarshan in Hindi, followed by the English version. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday paid homage to all those who lost their lives during partition and applauded the resilience as well as grit of those who suffered during the tragic period of history. A total of 1,082 police personnel have been awarded Police Medal on the occasion of Independence Day 2022, 347 personnel awarded Police Medal for Gallantry, 87 with President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, and 648 personnel awarded Police Medal for Meritorious Service. Noted author Salman Rushdie has been taken off the ventilator. Rushdie's agent Andrew Wiley confirmed that Rushdie was taken off a ventilator and could be able to talk. India on Sunday added 14,092 new coronavirus infection, taking the virus tally to 4,42,53,464, while the active cases dipped to 1,16,861. The death toll climbed to 5,27,037 with 41 fatalities.